So the first thing we need to do to create a care plan with credit card payments, either for one time or recurring, is to click on the gold button for new care plan. Once we click on that, we can go ahead and start selecting the care type. So let's go ahead and select active care and add care type. And we'll go ahead and hit supportive care. We'll build the full care plan. So now we'll go ahead and put in, let's say, 1 unit of an exam, and we can type in here the code to search by letters or words. So we can hit exam and the different levels of exam come up, or we can type in 99 and all the 99 code options will show up. So let's click low level, and we have these exceptions here. If you hover over the little icon here, you'll see that they'll tell you certain warnings for using certain codes. So we'll hit that first, and let's say we're going to go ahead and do 12 adjustments. So let's say 12, and we'll do 989, and then it'll come up what we want to do. So 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5, or BCBS. So if we want to go ahead and say 12 regular 98941 adjustments, the fee automatically shows up. So it automatically is all created here. So now we want to do one more exam on the way out. So let's say we're going to do one reeval. So we click in re, and reeval shows up. So now we want to go ahead and add in our S code. So let's say we're going to do 12, and we'll say S8990. So type in S8990, and it shows up right there. We can either search by S8990 or supported. Once you do that, our fee shows up. At that point in time, we can decide if we want to give a discount or not. So let's go ahead and just leave it just like this. Now we have our care plan created for this patient. We go over to the right-hand side, we see our active care, our supportive care, our grand total is $940. Today, the patient's going to pay $300. So we put in $300. And we don't expect anything from the insurance company. This is just going to be a straight self-pay patient. You see right here, we have $640. Now that's what's left over after $300 has been paid. So we're going to go ahead and set up a recurring payment. So we're going to process every 30 days. And the payment start date is going to be on the 1st of the month. And we're going to break it into 3 payments. So the system will automatically calculate the payments. It'll run today's payment for $300, as you see right up here. And then on the 1st, starting on the 1st, every 30 days, you'll actually run 3 payments for $213.33. In order to execute this, you go ahead and hit print and charge the patient. And we can choose either print summary or print summary and details. We go ahead and print it with details if the patient wants to see everything, and we hit print. And when that happens, we have everything here. It explains what active care is, explains what wellness care is, and as you scan down, it goes in here. I understand if I decide to go care, I'm still responsible for what has been performed already. Explains what today's payment is, how much insurance will pay, how many payments, and the pending amount. So all you have to do at this point in time is have the patient sign here on the left-hand side. So they come over here and they sign. And then the staff signs, you can get right on your iPad. And then once you hit print plan and send to Fortis, it'll automatically do everything, including if you gave a discount, register the patient for compliant coupons for a discount without having to sell them any additional discount plan. So once you're done printing, the next thing you can go back here and you can actually view the details of it if you want to, and you'll see everything to see here, the details of the entire plan. Very, very simple, very, very easy to do. And that's your entire process on how to create a care plan with a credit card, being able to set up one-time or recurring payments.